Hey everyone, I've ordered this case for my MacBook Pro. It's called subcase from Amazon. I'm going to unbox this and let's see how it fits on my MacBook. Okay, here you go. Right, so what do we have here? This one here, it says subcase unicorn beetle drop protection military standard. Okay, here we have instruction manual. The first section talks about the features, about how it's carefully engineered, transparent case and all those. Here is the installation guide. All right, there is nothing in the back. Okay. Okay, great. The top and the bottom case is two separate section. Unlike UAG case for MacBook, the top and the bottom case is joint. So this one is separate. So I feel it's good. And the overall weight of this case is around 400 gram. All right, so let's carry out the installation on my MacBook. This is my MacBook Pro M1 Space Gray. The first thing I'm going to do is fit the bottom case. Okay, great, it's fitted. Okay, I need to do some pressing here. I'm not sure if this gap is okay because it should fit in. Let me try pressing it again. Oh yeah, okay. It's needed a hard push. Okay, now it fits perfectly. Right, so I think the bottom case is complete. Let me fit the top lid. Ideally, the sub case should be at the bottom because that's how it should be, I suppose. Fitting the top case is a challenge. Let's give it a try. Okay. I've handled this MacBook very delicate, and when I'm applying this clip, I can feel the pain. The fitting is done. I don't see any gaps. So after the case is applied on the MacBook, this is how it looks. The cutout for USB port, the headphone jack cutout. This is for heat exhaust. You can see there are some more cutouts here for the heat exhaust. You can literally feel the MacBook is heavy. Prior to applying this case, the MacBook was very light. You know, this MacBook Pro M1 is 1.4 kg. So after applying this case, the MacBook is now 1.8 kg. So this is one drawback. The MacBook will become heavy. However, it gives you a stress-free that your Mac is safe, and if you accidentally drop it, you know, this case is military tested, so you don't have to worry about MacBook. My MacBook is having Apple Care Plus protection, but they don't cover cosmetic damage. So when I mean cosmetic damage, this is my old MacBook and I never used a case. It's 10 years old. You can see there are some kind of scratch here and there and also a dent. I have to leave with this because Apple Care doesn't cover all these kinds of damage. They only cover if the laptop is broken and they were going to fix it. You can see a lot of scratches here, small dents. So therefore I have decided to apply this case on my new MacBook. I don't want any kind of dents or scratch on my MacBook. So I have to get used with the weight of this new MacBook. The material is some kind of plastic rubber. Okay, I missed one here and here. Right, so now it looks good. So let me see if I can close it, and is there any gap if I close. Okay, the lid closes perfectly, there's no gap. Okay, it's all good. Let me open it. Perfect. I can definitely feel the weight. Anyway, that's fine. I want my Mac to be protected. There is another drawback of this case is if you're using this kind of hub, you can't fit it here with the case. So if I try to fit it, see, due to the case covering this part of the area, you cannot fit this inside. If you want to use this, you have to remove the case and use it, only the bottom part. So therefore I have ordered a USB-C to USB adapter. So this is the one. When I ordered this case, I've placed order for this as well. Okay, so this is the alternative. If you want to connect thumb drive or any other USB device, then you can use this. Perfect. So I'm gonna use this only if I have to use a different port such as SD card slot or HDMI. When it comes to my day-to-day use, I generally use a pen drive or a Bluetooth USB mouse for gaming. So this should suffice. So if you want to consider buying this, you should think about buying this device as well. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe and like my channel. Cheers.